I'm Ross Hampshire, I'm 22 years old and I'm a professional golfer at Studley Wood Golf Club. I got into the game around about 11 or 12 years old. My granddad was the one who got me started really, playing around the local par 3 course and just kind of got the bug. My school was about a 5-minute walk from a golf club, so I spent every day not doing homework and playing golf. I made the decision this year to turn professional. It's kind of been a dream of mine since I've been 11, but obviously with COVID kind of pushed things back and everything's been a little bit uncertain. So I've been a member of Studley Wood for the last 4 years or so. Being on the outskirts of Oxford, it's just 10 minutes from my house, so it's all really convenient whenever I need to come up and practice. Beautiful golf course, it's all in great condition. And with Farol as well supplying all the greenkeeping equipment here, it's a great tie-in to being a local business for a local player, a local golf club. So, I mean, I can't thank them all enough for all the support that everyone's given me this year and going forward. And I look forward to the journey.